I think giving back just makes people feel good.
Don't think it's too small or not good enough. Yes, it is. It's fantastic.
If you earn a living from a city, I think it's important you give back. That's what I've been taught, and that's what I believe.
You really feel good about yourself when you do give back.
I believe that there's givers and there's takers, and Frank and Kathy are givers, and they're doers.
They see that there's a need somewhere, and because they can, they do.
Frank and Kathy really feel that they've gained so much from London, and they really want to give back.
His energy is contagious, as well as my mother's too, but they're quite the duo.
They don't expect anything back. They don't expect any pat on the back or, nights like this.
It's their very core, their fabric that they're made out of, the thing that they share.
Frank and Kathy have had a great impact in my 7 years here at St. Joe's. They've contributed in many ways to our breast care program, to mental health and other areas in the organization. That's helped us to invest both in care and in research.
Frank's an enthusiastic guy, and that's what's in the youthfulness of Frank and Kathy. It's the way they've always been, and I like it because they have fun while doing it.
We could use so many more Frank and Kathy's, to be honest with you, not only for their heart and philanthropy, but for their joy of life.
I like it. You have your work, you have your family. It's just another outlet that brings you a lot of joy, and it's a lot of fun.
I'll tell you, once you give it, it's such an incredible feeling, and that's why we do it. It's such a pleasurable thing to do. Giving to me is one of the most important parts of my life.
Helping people and seeing the difference in people and how you actually just singularly can be of help to others. It makes you feel good, so you want to do more.
Frank and Kathy Longo are a perfect example of why you should get involved in your community. They make it fun. It's not a burden or a job.
The benefit is in the heart, the feeling of giving. It's unbeatable.
And they both bring such an incredible passion to the work at St. Joe's that it draws other people to be part of St. Joe's because they're just so captured by their passion.
When you become a part of St. Joseph's Healthcare Foundation, you become part of the family. We really try and inspire our children to hopefully learn from us, and not just giving monetarily, but giving their time and helping out within the community.
Frank and I have 5 children, and they were all born in London and grew up here, and we really wanted them to have a wonderful community. I would have to say that I was inspired by my children to even give a little more.
If we could somehow inspire people who have the ability to give financially, to give and to enjoy giving, boy, that'll make my day. That will feel like we've accomplished something.